Good morning. I want to talk with you today, but don't worry, this is not a problem. I just want to ask you some questions about the story and also about you. You are an important part of this business. Good morning, boss. Thank you. I am a little nervous, but I am ready. I always try to do my best at work, so I hope everything is okay. Everything is fine. Okay, let's start with the inventory. I want to understand how the store is doing. How much rice did we sell this week? Uh, we sold a lot of rice. We sold about 20 bags this week. Right now, there's not much left. We have only 5 bags in the storage room. Okay, that's good information. How much sugar did we sell? We sold around 15 kilos of sugar. There is still some sugar left, but not too much. We have about 6 kilos now. I see. And how many bottles of cooking oil are left? Let me remember. We started the week with 30 bottles. We sold 22 bottles. So there are only 8 bottles left now. Oh, that's good. How many cartons of milk did we sell? We sold many cartons of milk. We sold almost all of them. There are only 4 cartons left on the shelf. I checked that today. Wow, that means milk is very popular. Very good. Now, how much bread do customers usually buy every day? Customers buy a lot of bread every day. On average, we sell about 40 pieces of bread daily, sometimes more, sometimes less. Very good. Now tell me, how many customers come to the store in the morning? Let's see. In the morning, we usually have many customers, around 30 to 40 people come before noon. And how many customers come in the afternoon? In the afternoon, there are fewer customers, not like in the morning. About 20 people come between noon and 6. What about the evenings? How many customers are there? In the evening, there are many again, similar to the morning. I would say around 30 customers, especially people coming back from work. That's more people than in the morning and in the afternoon coming to the store. That sounds busy. How many hours are you working every day? Me? Oh, well, I am working 8 hours a day. Sometimes a little more when the store is very busy or when we receive new products. I have to stay until I finish handing everything in. A couple more hours. And when there are many customers, it's the same because I can't turn them away. Yes, that's correct. How much rest do you get during the day? I usually get 1 hour of rest. I use that time to eat and relax a bit, but sometimes I am still thinking about work. I can't close the store. Sometimes I have to serve customers while I'm eating. I understand. How much stress do you feel at work? Well, honestly, sometimes I feel a lot of stress when there are many customers and many things to do. It can be difficult, but I try to stay calm and polite. That's what we have to do, right? That is important. How many problems do you usually have with customers? Problems? Not many. Most customers are nice. Maybe one or two difficult customers per week, but nothing serious. That's good to hear. Now, let me ask you something more personal. How much time do you spend eating during work days? Eat? Well, not much time. I usually eat fast. Sometimes I don't eat very well, just something quick. That worries me a little. How many proper meals do you eat per day? To be honest, maybe only two. Sometimes only one good meal. That is not enough. Health is important. You have to eat. But how much energy do you feel during the day? In the morning, I have good energy. In the afternoon, I feel tired, but I keep working. You are very responsible. How many days have you missed work this year? I haven't missed any days. I try to be here every day, even when I feel tired. I noticed that. How much effort do you think you put into your job? I think I put a lot of effort. I try to take care of the store like it is my own, and I can see that. How many mistakes do you think you make at work? Not many. When I make a mistake, I try to fix it quickly and learn from it. That is the right attitude. How much responsibility do you feel here? Well, I feel a lot of responsibility. And that's true. I know the store depends on my work every day. I know that. That's exactly why I wanted to talk to you. You are a very good worker. You are honest, responsible, and hardworking. How much appreciation do you think you receive for your work? I don't think about that much. I am just grateful to have a job. You deserve more than just gratitude. You deserve recognition. So, now I want to ask you something important and be honest. How much do you want to earn from now on? I I don't know what to say. I never thought about that. It depends on you and how much value you see in my work. Well, I see a lot of value. That's why I decided something. Starting next month, I am going to double your salary. What? Really? I can't believe it. That is a big surprise. Thank you so much. I don't even know what to say. Really. You don't need to say much. Just keep doing your job like you always do. Good workers are hard to find, and I don't want to lose you. Thank you, boss. I feel very grateful and motivated. I will continue giving my best every day. I will work very hard. That's all I ask. Thank you. Now, tell me one last thing. How much confidence do you have in yourself? After this conversation, much more than before.